The baby is cute. The baby is cute. The car is fast. The car is fast. The house is small. The house is small. The tree is tall. The tree is tall. The room is clean. The room is clean. The bag is heavy. The bag is heavy. The box is empty. The box is empty. The glass is full. The glass is full. The street is busy. The street is busy. The shop is open. The shop is open. The book is new. The book is new. The pen is red. The pen is red. The chair is broken. The chair is broken. The phone is ringing. The phone is ringing. The clock is slow. The clock is slow. The bus is late. The bus is late. The train is coming. The train is coming. The plane is flying. The plane is flying. The boy is strong. The boy is strong. The girl is smiling. The girl is smiling. Subscribe for more simple daily sentences.